This is anchia growing in my grow bag. Then I have bitter leaves as well. See how well they're doing. It's bitter leaves. And then over here is basil, more bitter leaves, my rosemary, and then this huge ghost pepper right here. This is the 10-gallon grow bag. All of these are 5-gallon grow bags, and then another 10-gallon grow bag that has this other species of bitter leaves. I planted maybe 4 stems in here, and this one has 1 ghost pepper. In each of these smaller grow bags, I have planted 2 bitter leaf stems, not stems, the seed transplants. Yeah, transplants. These are my Carolina Reaper peppers growing in my grow bags. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. These are doing so well. Why did these ones not produce fruit yet? Not sure why. I even planted my yams in the grow bag here. This is the African grow bag, Mukuta bag. Guys, see our njama, the garden huckleberry. Yeah, so this is the broadleaf njama, which I don't mind because we then get to have a lot of jams from very little. These are fluted pumpkins or ugu growing in grow bags. I have 12 of them. I've only used organic methods to grow my ugu. They are growing in 5-gallon grow bags. This has potting mix soil in addition to chicken manure. So chicken manure and potting mix.